Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, keto-friendly food. In today's video, we'll look at easy to make foods from Costco for your meal preparations. Alright Baby Yoda, let's see what's on the keto menu today. Spoiler alert, but Baby Yoda has recently fallen off the keto wagon. Let's see what delicious foods we can find to get him back on track. Alright, starting with breakfast, we have egg bites. These are amazingly simple, microwavable, and a quick fix to those breakfast on-the-go needs. By the way, these are way cheaper than the ones found in Starbucks. Next, we have bacon. These are so useful in so many different recipes, or just to eat them plain alongside your eggs for breakfast. You'll see that I'm a big fan of bacon, and I'll be using it in many recipes in the future. Of course, we have our keto bread. I've talked about this in other videos, but it is quite a staple for making sandwiches, grilled cheese, avocado toast, Monte Cristos, anything you can think of. We also have egg wraps with cauliflower. These are a great replacement for tortillas anytime you need to make a burrito or a taco or just some kind of wrap, turkey wrap, ham and cheese wrap. I'll do a video reviewing different low-carb wraps on the market. Here's a healthy noodle, basically a noodle substitute made of water, soybean fiber, and cellulose. It's a good noodle replacement in a pinch, but it doesn't soak up sauces as well as usual pasta or other starchy noodles. And cauliflower rice. These are a staple in my kitchen. I use them for rice replacement, for creamy mashed cauliflower as a mashed potato substitute. The uses are endless, and I'll put links to recipes below. Continuing on our vegetable list, we have mixed salads and mixed greens. I like the power greens as these tend to keep longer than some of these spring mixes and packing full of vitamins and minerals to keep us healthy. Of course, mayonnaise. This is so useful in many different recipes, from sandwich spreads to crisping up bread and making toast, to using in dressings and dips. It is very versatile and basically just eggs and oil. And we have packaged guacamole. These are great, no fuss, super easy out of the package, ready to eat as a snack or to put in sandwiches or spreads. I'll put a link below to my keto-friendly avocado toast recipe. Now, rounding out our vegetable list, we have kimchi. This is a great preserved fermented cabbage that packs full of flavor. I add it to my salads to give it a kick. It goes great with meats as a side dish or just for regular snacking. Speaking of meat, the first stop is Costco's Rotisserie chicken. These are so versatile just to eat straight hot or to use in chicken salads or slice up for sandwiches. Next, we have shrimp cocktail. These are great for snacking or placing out to entertain guests. Now, I always have a couple bags of these chicken wings in my freezer. You could microwave them or bake them in the oven. Either way, they are a fast and easy snack or a dinner. They are also great for just watching the game. Another great meat choice is salmon. I use this a lot in my cooking as it is a healthy source of omega-3 fatty acids. Continuing with fish, canned tuna is always a staple in my pantry. It's so versatile for tuna salads or sandwiches like tuna melts, and it's a healthy source of protein. Another fish option is sardines. These are filled with omega-3 fatty acids, really good for heart health, and quite filling. I sometimes use this in place of tuna as another quick source of protein. And of course, tri-tip. These are great for grilling, and it comes pre-seasoned so you can make it right away. For those that don't eat meat, Costco also has a great 4-pack of tofu. These are really great for all sorts of cooking, stir fries, sauces, you name it. Speaking of sauces, Costco also has ready-made paneer butter masala. Using this as a curry substitute to put in cauliflower rice or to use with tofu or just to eat as is, this makes a ready-to-eat meal in just a couple of minutes. Only at 4 grams of net carbs per serving, this packs a ton of flavor in whatever you decide to make. Lastly, I wanted to show you something that looked very keto-friendly, but upon closer inspection, not so much. These are cauliflower crust pizzas. At 25 grams of net carbs per serving, these will not do on a keto diet. I'll show you in a future video on how to make some delicious cauliflower crust pizza that is low carb and keto friendly. Well, that's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.